So, Speedster madness today. Oh, I love this car. This is the stuff dreams are made of. Speedster, 1955 it is. This one is produced around March 1955, so it's still a pre-A. Chassis number is around 300 from the start. So it has a lot of these funny, cool functions and details which only the early pre-A Speedster has. Car was delivered in California, where our client actually found it. We bought this car. Client called me and said he wanted to buy a car, so we had to figure out who can go and check it out in San Diego, and it was the second week of Corona lockdowns. Like, yes, but we managed to find one friend of ours, which happily went and inspected the car, that it was there, and then we brought it home. Took it home to first Sweden, and then took it here for full restoration. And this has been taking more than 2 years. But now we're quite happy with it, or really happy actually. So doesn't get better than this. If you take a look at the outside, it has all these lovely pre-A attributes or details. Lovely curves, V-edged, banana style, this, everything is nicely, smoothly rounded. 16-inch wheels, of course. We prefer the old stuff. Nowadays you can find pretty good tires anyway, so it's not that problematic to drive them anyway. You have the blunt hood. It's not pointed like the later ones. You have the old style Bosch headlights with the Bosch marks. You have all the signals. Turn lights are marked with K, like Karlsruhe, the guys who tested this stuff. A little bit dusty here. Correct window wipers, mirrors. If you take a look at the back, it's the same thing here. It's also K marked. Hella shine down, original for the car. Lovely, lovely looking car. This one also has the correct top, which is this grayish beige material, which were only used for 54 and 55. Very few people have actually seen those ones because you can't get this material anymore. Already 56 it was used as another top color was used. The first Speedster had the so-called Lobo. Just a couple of hundred number after this came intermediate, which was a little bit higher, and then comes the high bow, and it's of course the length for this. You can't be too long to fit into this. So this is basically the coolest version of them all. Really easy top. No inside, no insulation, just one sheet of material here. Inside is Azella. The pre-A Speedsters were only sold in red, blue and white. On this red is, you could actually order the beige top or the black top. Interior I think was all Azella bust. These side curtains are lovely. They stole them back during the days, but it's also the Azella best inside, leather, all this nice stuff, details, riveted. Love this stuff. Yeah, let's take a look at the interior. Maybe we take the top down. I'll take the top down and it will be a little bit easier for this. easily. Very simple things. We also have a cover for this one in the same material. Here you can see the Azella Best, the funny looking material, which I understand is some kind of tablecloth, actually, back from the days. The first Speedster was cheap cars. They had the cheap top, the cheap materials, as I understand. And now they are the most expensive ones, which are quite funny. We tried to keep some patina in the car. It has the original Porsche badge here. Small crack here, but it's original. Correct ignition lock. Was looking for that some long time. Feels good. Has the starter button like all the Pre-A's. It's shitty weather today, so we won't take it out for a spin, but the car drives really good, actually. Yeah, what else to say about the early Speedsters? Yeah, a little bit different dash. This one has two big and one small. It doesn't have a fuel meter. Fuel is checked by the wooden dipstick, which is in the car. All the knobs are original. So here we have the 1500 engine with the correct greenish oil filter. Knecht filters, Solex carburetors, Solex 32s. Looks pretty good, like it should be. Engine works good. Maybe I'll take it up, maybe I'll start it. Why not? Let's hear some sounds. This car, you need to be an acrobat to jump in. Let's see the dummy lights. Here. Runs like a clock. I forgot to say earlier, it has the Sturk temperature meter as well. On all these Sturk gauges, they're funny because it's a glycerine filled or gas filled gauge which has a capillary movement, so it's basically a hydraulic small hose, or what we say, pipe. Let's go back. So there's like 2 meters of pipe going through this car. We have now done 502 kilometers. Test run has been doing all well. I know, let's try it out a little bit more and then we ship it off to the client. Nothing else to say around here. Here's the original Reuter badge. We shouldn't show the number. We'll take a look under the hood as well. Small and nice rear. This one is nice as well. We'll take a look at this. Turn on the lights. Look at the. Wow, this is cool stuff. Only thing original here is not original is the starting button. I had to make one myself. Well, that's the life of our everyday, you know. If you can't find the shit, you have to make it. Or call around the whole world or whatever to just find it. I have to put a key in the leather pouch from Reuter as well. Lovely little gear shifter here. Pre-A Speedster does not have the air outlets here, like the A Speedsters have. You have only the heating down here. And actually the first Speedster didn't have that one as well. So open up the hood. You see that? Yeah. You can take one look there. So. I love those seats. This Basta material is really cool, and this red piping does it. Very nice seats. It's this kind of nice feeling when you sit there. It's like you can only imagine it's the beach, people in the sand, playing around, having a good time, worshipping the sun, which we never see in Estonia. Yeah. So, oh, you see the rear lights. These are also different. One is actually higher. Very few people know that. They look the same, but they're different. Sounds like a safe, like it should be. Looks really good, sounds really good. Fittings are absolutely perfect, as with all our cars we do here. Here we have the fuel tank and the funny gauge. This is real Porsche stuff, you know, when everything was supposed to be light. Now they have fuel gauges. In that time you had one of these, you put it down, you see here, how many liters do I have? That was what it was from the beginning. Here is also a couple of bags for the tubs. Here you see the extra wheel. I should put in I have a tool set for this one also, and a nice jack. Yeah, also 16-inch wheel. I don't know. Speedster. We have restored. This is number 11 now, I think, but it's the first pre-A Speedster we have done. And this is somehow, it's a mythical car. It's an icon of motoring. This should be driven with passion, how you say it. We will say goodbye to this car soon, give it up. Give it over to the happy owner, who will keep it. I know the guy, he will keep this, never sell it. It's also one of his dream cars. So we can only say happy journey to the car. I know it's going to a very good home. So I'm okay. And then we wait for the next one. Sure, there will be more. Oh, you see here, this is the original Porsche badge as well, which we actually managed to restore. It's a bit battle damaged, but it's the original one. Yeah, lovely small details to this. I know, we will take this car to next year concourse and see how it will go. I will bring all the users guides and all the sales brochure to show the materials and the top and everything. Probably the judges doesn't know as well what the color should be. Oh well. That's it. This is like 2025, it's number 9 car out this year. So we still have 2 more to do. So we'll be back with 2 more Porsches going out. And that's it. It's pre-A Speedster, made in Urban's garage. If you have another one needs restoration, give us a call. And keep on Porscheing.